What the hell, L'Oreal? Like, come on. You just got me off guard. This card is calling me for attention. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, Name Fine. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing alright. If you are new to this channel and if this is your first time of seeing my face, you are welcome. And today I'm going to be reviewing the new L'Oreal Highlight Compact and also the new glittery shimmer lip gloss. So this is the collection pamphlet. As you can see, it's all in goldy metallic. So let me read it. Okay, this is the Dare to Go metallic range collection. First of all, let me show you the products first. Here are the products, and this is a crushed foil collection. So I'm just gonna read through this pamphlet to tell you what it's all about before I go ahead into the video and the swatches. So these two products are the crushed foils metallic collection. Discover 2 eye shimmer powder highlight shades in a rose gold and pure gold shimmer for an effortless chrome glow. Ultra buildable formula melts into skin for a subtle glow or can be layered for a super strobed finish. Okay, that is for this product right here. So L'Oreal comes out with 2 of these highlight compact powder, and one of them is a rose gold highlight and the other one is a pure gold shimmer highlight. I think I picked the pure gold shimmer highlight. Yes, I remember. So this is the pure gold shimmer highlight. I did not go for the rose gold because I don't want to be rosy. I want to be goldy. So I picked this color or this shade. It also comes out with 2 metallic lip glosses, and one of them is a rose gold and this is the glitter gold metallic lip gloss. So I'm gonna read through the lip gloss. Our first metallic lip strobing gloss for a high impact iridescent glow in 2 eye shimmer shades infused with a chrome pigment. Use alone for a sheer strobe or as a top coat to transform any lip color. So I know what a lip gloss is, so you can either use this product alone or you can use it as a top coat, you know, to give you a high shine look. So how to use for this highlight powder: use to highlight the eye points of the face or lightly apply over foundation for or over a subtle glow. Layer shades together or wear them separately on eyes and body for even more glow. Apply with a damp makeup brush. To give you a more pigmented glow, you use a damp brush for that. You can mix this gold and the rose gold together to give you a nice looking glow highlight skin, or you can use this separately either on your eyes, on your body, which will give you a flawless look as well. For the smoothest finish, exfoliate your lips before applying. Use the point of the applicator to carefully outline your cupid's bow. Coat your lips with the lip strobing gloss starting from the center and blending outwards. Basically, it's just the way you normally apply your lips product and also your highlight product, but I'm gonna be trying that with a wet blush, and also I'm gonna be trying this with a wet brush and also with a dry brush as well. Super excited. As you can see, I have my all foundation on. I'm literally looking so matte and nice I would say. But there's no highlight product yet. There's no on my nose or anything like that. There's no lipstick yet, so literally this product is just gonna make this look finished touches. So the seal hasn't been broken yet, so I'm just gonna break it now. Okay, this is our illuminator, our highlight powder. So I'm gonna do a swatch on my back of my hands to actually see how good this product is. First of all, I'm just gonna clean my hands just in case I have any products there left from my makeup earlier today. Ooh, look at this highlight matte. Wow, so this is a drugstore highlight powder. We have Maybelline highlight powder, which I haven't tried yet, but this is a new from L'Oreal. First of all, I applied my finger on it. It's so buttery soft, very gilded, and the first swatch of this highlight powder goes. very golden highlight and so smooth. Ooh, god damn, wow, that is a lot of pigment. And it says you can also apply this highlight wet, so I'm just gonna be wetting the index finger with a fixed plus as well. I just need to go over these highlights one more time, and also with a swatch side by. I'll say they're not bad. The wet one seems to come out more than the one without any wetness to it. Ooh, yes. So the wet one comes out more golden, and the other without wet comes out more a little bit powdery, but still looking nice. These are the two swatches of this highlight right here. So far I like it. It's very goldy on my skin, so I just can't wait to apply it on my highlight point of my face. I just need to wipe my hands as first. So this is my first highlight brush I normally use to apply my highlight. I love it so much because it's so pointed and precise. So I'll be using this to apply my illuminator highlight from L'Oreal. Like I said before, this product is very smooth and butter finish, like very buttery. There's not much of a powder fallout from it, but yeah, so I still have to tap away. And the first glide goes to, okay, right. So this is the product applied without wet. It's not bad, it's just that the finish is not smooth, but it's a really golden highlight, as you can see. Ooh. Ooh, okay, it's very subtle, not too out there, but very good. Wow, I like this highlight. Okay, I'm gonna apply this side with a wet firm brush with the highlight to see the difference between these without the wetness and these with the wetness. I'll be using my Morphe White 13 firm brush, and I'm gonna wet it with a fixed plus from MAC. So this is wet enough. I just a little bit fan it out. So I will be taking our product right here. Oh, there's a lot of pigments right there. Ooh, man, that's too wet. Oh. The product is so precise. I just gotta blend it in. Okay guys, this is our golden product right here. It's still on top of this my foundation right now. I'm just trying to blend it all out. So this is how the product is when wet, when not so wet. Like, which one should I pick? I guess I will go with this when not wet because it's actually subtle glow, and this actually out there dewy glow. I think I have a lot of product right here, so I just have to blend it down a little bit. So let's just finish our look and go to our lip gloss and see where we go from there. Here is our highlights. Oh my god, I like this side more. I like this side. This side is not too like golden like out there, but because I kind of brush it out with some of my powder blush, because I kind of brush it out with my powder brush, tune the highlight down with a bit of my powder brush, but it's okay. So this side is just like cutting on fire, like, oh my god. So yeah, so let's go on with the lip gloss right now. On my lips I don't have anything other than my foundation, so I might be taking that off just to see the pair of this lip gloss. And my lips is a bit smooth, not too like a rough, because it says best applicator is when your lips is fully exfoliated. I have similar lip gloss like this, but after this I'm gonna show you how similar it is. It still hasn't been broken yet. Again, I'm gonna break it. So this lip gloss is number 14 mirrored, and the model And this front of this paper, our lips is super golden shiny. I hope my lips is gonna be like that. Before I apply this lip gloss on my lip, I'll just do a quick swatch on the back of my hands. So this is my first swatch. Okay. So there you go, the lip gloss. It's really golden and shiny. So you use it to line your cupid's bow. It's super shiny. Guys, this is the finished lip gloss and also the finished highlight look. I am seriously digging these two products and I'm happy that I have it, and I'm happy to try this out. Wow. You see, it's giving me that feeling, yeah, and I like it. The similar product of this I have is these over the top from those of colors, which is priced around $18. So I can say this is a very good dupes for these. This is really golden, super golden eye shine. This is not so much golden, but it's still okay. I bet that this lip gloss will look nice on as a top coat on any lipsticks. Maybe on my next video I'll try that out, but I'm just trying to see if I feel any tingling on my lips, but not so much. I don't feel anything. I'm just dying for this highlight, bro. Like, highlight, bro. What the hell, L'Oreal? Like, come on. Seriously? You just got me off guard. Like, guys, I love these two products, 100% love it. I'll give it 9.5, and it's Jenny Fine approved. Why I give it 9.5 is that I would like so much of these highlight compacts to have a mirror, so it's easier for me to apply and look at the same time. Because I am applying this product, I tend to switch onto my compact highlight, which got a mirror as well. This is my highlight from Makeup Revolution. So this is my highlight from Makeup Forever. It has a, oh Lord, what's wrong with me? So this is my highlight from Makeup Revolution. So this is my highlight from Makeup Forever. It's a compact and has a mirror, which make it easier for me to apply my highlight and looking straight to the mirror. Because this is a drugstore highlight, I wasn't expecting too much, but it will be better if it comes with a mirror. So it's easier for me to apply the highlight while looking at myself, because for this video I'm applying the highlight. I'm literally using the compact mirror for my other highlight to apply it, but which isn't really that good, because sometimes I just feel like touching on my old highlight but realizing no, I'm literally using this one. So that is the only downside of it. I like the highlight, it's so subtle glow, just like what they said, but the only thing is that it's best when it's wet, because wet is you apply it like that, it gives you that glittery powder shimmery highlight, like the fallout all over your skin, your face, but you have to blend it really well so you don't see it. But when you apply it wet, it's very pigmented, it brings your face out there, and it's not so powdery like applying it direct. I had to pipe down on this highlight because it was just literally all over the place, because my fan brush was seriously over wet. So I guess that's a downside for me. But yeah, this card is calling me for attention. You get that? I don't know how much it costs. It could retail for $9.99, who knows, but I really don't know how much it costs. But if I do know how much it costs and find the link or where to get this product, I'm gonna leave the link right below so you guys can check them out. But yes, this is a really affordable drugstore highlight to use if you can't afford Makeup Forever highlight or other Bobbi Brown highlight, which are seriously pricey. But so far I know about L'Oreal, I'll say yes, this is a dupe for any high-end highlight to come or existing highlight. This is so good. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys really love this video, which I did as well. I love this two product, like seriously love it so much. And the only bad side is without no mirror, but I guess we can work with that. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video or this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share my video to your friends, your work colleague, your schoolmates, your church mate, anything you want to do. Just share this video, guys, and leave your comment below on what you think about this look, this highlight. Did you like it? Do you not like it? Do you have it or you don't have it? Are you planning to get it? And what do you think about this review? Because I love it too. Seriously, I love it. I don't know so much about the rose gold side, but maybe in the near future I will try that out as well. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so before you go. And if you want to be receiving daily uploads and alert from me, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon. And guys, don't forget to watch my previous video, which is gonna show up right after this clip here. On today, guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Be nice to others and be good to yourself. So peace out.
Somebody, she want make her come carry her. I'ma make her in one body.